Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ghana lightsoup. Yes, assorted Ghana lightsoup recipe. This soup was very flavorful and so delicious. You can pair it with any swallow of your choice. This light soup is an assorted light soup, so it has so many different kind of proteins in it. I started by adding my goat meat, some cow meat. I added some cow foot. Then I went ahead to add some green seasonings to it, of course. I'm going to link it up here if you want to check how I made the green seasoning. Then I went ahead to add some black pepper, some onion powder, some smoked paprika as well. Then I went ahead to add some onion powder. I hope each and everyone is doing wonderfully well. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well as well. You can omit or add any ingredient in this recipe. As I always say, you do you. Then I went ahead to add some chicken seasoning with some chopped up white onion. Don't forget to add this sankofa spice seasoning. Oh my goodness, this seasoning is so good. I got it, my mom got it for me. Thank you so much, mommy, if you are watching this video. Then you go ahead to add some salt to taste. After adding all this, I added a shrimp cube seasoning as well. Then you mix everything to combine. You make sure you stir everything so that every portion and bit of the meat will get some of the seasoning. And remember, do not add any water when seasoning your meat. Over here, these are the vegetables I'll be using. As I said earlier, you can omit or add any veggies of your choice. I added some carrots, some tomatoes, 2 habanero, 1 big onion, some bell peppers, and some zucchini. Over here, I came back to check up on my protein, and I'll be adding some koobi to this recipe because it's assorted. So yeah, you have to. I'm gonna link a video of how I made this koobi up here if you want to check it out. Yeah, I came back to check up on it. As you can see, there are some water in the meat. We didn't add any water when we started, so it's just the water juices from the beef that is in the soup. This will ensure your meat is very tasty to every bite that you will get. Yes, I went ahead to add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Then I'll mix everything to combine. After mixing everything, I'll go ahead to add all the veggies from earlier and cover everything to cook. Thank you so much for each and everybody watching this video. I'm very grateful for every one of you for taking the time to watch my video. Yeah, after adding the veggies, I went ahead to add the curry because it is salty, so I soaked it for a little bit before adding it to the soup so that it doesn't make the soup salty. Yeah, and you have to be careful with the salting because of the koobi as well. So over here the veggies are ready, so I just took everything out and blended it. Look at these juices. Like, this smells so good. Oh my god. And it tasted So delicious as well. So over here, I will go ahead to add the rest of my fish. I had some smoked mackerel, some adrene, and some amani, which are earrings. And the adrene is a smoked fish. Yeah. So this is how it is looking after adding. At the time I blended the veggies and then added everything into the soup. I sieved the blended up ingredient. You can decide to leave it like that, but I wanted a light soup, so I sieved everything. The zucchini, the tomatoes, and the bell peppers are from my garden. Yes, I'm so proud of myself. After adding everything, I added some water and I stir it up, and then we're gonna cover it to let it do its things. Yeah, you will have to cook this for 30 to 45 minutes. Then you will lower the heat to simmer, and your soup will be ready. And of course, I'm addicted to fufu, so I'm gonna make fufu with this. Yep. And do not omit this okra. And by the way, this okra is from my garden as well. Yes. So after adding the okra, I cover everything and I came back to check up on the soup. Look at that. Please make this recipe and comment down below how it turned out. If you've been watching me till now, please subscribe to your girl, like and share to your loved ones. Until my next video, stay blessed. I'm gonna leave some videos up here to watch until my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.